Everyone in this world is different, and thus confirming what world wants you to follow is not something great to do to yourself. Last time we learned how to confront people, and now we will learn how to gain confidence in your craft. Ask yourself some questions. Is your craft rare, so very few people talk about it? Is it because it is not in trend or not lucrative? You feel beaten for talking about it? If you feel remorse answering these are your obstacles between your craft and your confidence in your craft. To answer your obstacles, answer these questions on your screen by pausing the video. If you still decide to follow your passion even after answering these questions, you found your passion. While answering the question, if you are obstacled by some feeling, follow these steps. Step 1. Cancel the noise. Cancel the noise in musical isolation or on a solo travel trip. It will cut you off from people's opinion. Step 2. Observe your emotions. Observe how you internally feel while performing your art. Step 3. Introspect yourself. Why do you feel in a certain way about your art? What motivates you to follow it? Step 4. Recollect, understand, and neglect. Remember, neglecting is not the same as ignoring. Ignoring means not acknowledging, but neglecting means to acknowledge and continue with your act.
I heard your daughter.
I'm fed up. She never goes out and interacts with people. God save her.
Why these people have these conversations? What they get from calling my painting bad?
Aaron seems so delighted. I heard he won a trophy in an inter-school match.
Yeah, I see. He keeps playing, has fun, but Sheena keeps painting.
Well, leave that. Bring me more sweets. Mom, I want to buy a color palette and painting kit. Why do you want that? I want to paint like Sheena.
Really?
They will keep saying, the painting is beautiful.
That painting is awesome. Do you post them on Instagram?
Yep, a lot.